podcast just because I just saw AMD just did a thing where they're talking about their new artificial intelligence chipsets, and basically they focus completely on the hardware side of things. That's business as usual with them. They're not adapting to like what Nvidia just did. But then what Nvidia did is revolutionary. What Nvidia released is a major game changer. AMD, they did nothing. They're stagnant, and that was their message, that they're going to be proven. They're going to do proven technology. In other words, they're going to be stagnant, and they're not going to be innovative at all. Whereas AMD just released a artificial intelligence that will be downloaded on the consumer end. So you have artificial intelligence built into your phone, which will, so basically as you watch videos online, you pull from the cloud services, instead of you watching that video and it's using old school file compression and decompression once it gets to your device, they're going to use artificial intelligence to do the compression and decompression. So once it's sent over, it'll the amount of data in which it'll cost to send over the internet was going to be dropped astronomically. So the amount of processing power that's going to take to run high quality videos or any other data streaming is going to be dropped exponentially. And you'll also be able to have tools for like videos. Like say you're watching this video right now, you could turn me into a pirate if you wanted to. You could like take a picture, Snapchat filters all the time, and this video would be basically decoded by artificial intelligence. So it'll be sent compressed, and when it's compressed, it'll basically it'll be like the size of a picture, and it'll be sent over with very minimal amount of data, and you'll be able to watch this video with nothing. And that's the power of what Nvidia is doing. AMD decided that they're not going to do anything. They're just going to be stagnant. They're going to focus on hardware only, and they're just trying to brute force this thing. Whereas a lot of the problems that we have are in old school software, and we haven't changed software stacks. We haven't done anything on the actual, especially on encryption or compression and decompression algorithms. They've widely not changed for years, and we have artificial intelligence where we can do this now. So AMD is ahead of the curve, and Nvidia is going to be a dinosaur very, very, very soon. It's completely abundantly logical that that's going to happen, because they're not focusing on what AMD is doing, because AMD AMD is going to be completely screwed. They're screwing themselves. They're focusing on some stupid bullshit hardware, business as usual, whereas Nvidia is actually going after the real problems of the system, which is actual compression and decompression. So, and they're going to give you a artificial intelligence on the user end, which is the most important thing. User end artificial intelligence for decompression, which will make it so you can watch high quality videos from literally anywhere with the lowest quality reception. And this is the biggest game changer. It's going to cut down the amount of processing power in data centers. It's going to cut down the amount of power needed astronomically. We're talking at least eight times decrease in the amount of data in which it costs just to do videos. Just videos alone. Just Netflix or whoever you're streaming on. Those data centers will be far more efficient with far less physical hardware. That's the part that they're not realizing. Just because you're a hardware company doesn't mean if the hardware, you need to have good software. Okay, if you're a software company, that's good and all. You could be a software company and be completely based off software. But if you're a hardware company, you need to have your software as your number one priority. Your number one priority needs to be your software. It's the number one thing. If your software is not good and you make hardware, then your hardware is garbage. Your hardware is worthless. It's pointless. And if you're not innovating, then you're falling behind. And that's just the truth of what's happening here. So anyways, I want to make this video just to call them out, basically tell them that, that they're total idiots and they're going to be dinosaurs if they follow this trajectory. And that's just that. Anyways, I love you all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a glorious, magnificent, wonderful, beautiful, awesome, amazing, incredible existence. And I'll see you all in the next video. This video seems very choppy. This is on a new phone, so hopefully it's not. Love you all. Bye.